See what this person said about this issue. What do you think? What do you think? Just listen to what he said about this issue and tell me what you think in the comment section.
Hello, everybody. This is Judd Saul, the Executive Director of Equipping the Persecuted. You can find us and learn more information about our organization at equippingthepersecuted.org. That's equippingthepersecuted.org. I don't come out on video very often, and when I do, it's because I have something that really needs to be said that no one's talking about. And sadly to say, through our sources on the ground in Nigeria, and some of our sources from truthnigeria.com, I'm issuing a terror alert that is very imminent that everyone needs to know about. We have critical information of upcoming attacks in Taraba and in southern Kaduna. And when I mean imminent attacks, this means that Fulani ethnic militia have been sighted. They've been gathering. They are preparing for major attacks in Taraba and southern Kaduna. We're expecting an imminent attack in Taraba around March 23rd. FEM, Takum unit, Fulani Ethnic Militia unit in Takum, is mobilizing fighters and staging positions. They are armed movement. We're seeing armed movements across the Donga River toward Chenjenji. Fighters embedded via cattle herds. Drone confirmed machine gun presence. And there was a recent attack in Tor Damisa where 5 people were killed, but that's just the beginning. They're amassing and planning for a large attack. The staging area is in New Gaboko, and it's around seized farmland, and it's under active terrorist control. Attack is likely within days. We're expecting right after Ramadan. So those of you in Taraba, in the Chinchinji Yellowa access, be on alert. They're moving. They are planning major attacks in Taraba. Please be careful. And now we have information in southern Kaduna. They are planning a major attack in Chikun, Kajuru, and Kachia. We are seeing movements, mass movements of terrorists. They've been gathering since March 16th. They're amassing in certain areas, preparing for a large attack. Large motorcycle convoys are advancing and heavy infiltration into forest zones and communities. High-risk areas, Rajana Forest, Kamuku Forest, and Burnangwari Corridor. They're amassing, they're gathering, they're planning major attacks in southern Kaduna. Attack is imminent. This is max alert status. So what we're telling everybody is avoid remote and isolated areas, report suspicious movement to the police and military. But they probably won't do anything anyway because they never do. But do your best to try to alert the authorities, but alert the local communities. Talk to your local officials, talk to your pastors, talk to your local leaders. And I'm telling you, these attacks are imminent. Be on guard. Urgent operations in both regions. We need the Nigerian military and police forces to deploy immediately. Disrupt motorcycle movement. If you're seeing terrorists with guns on motorcycles traveling through the area, perhaps you should stop them instead of letting them go by. Quit taking the money, quit taking the naira, quit letting terrorists go back and forth. It's time you guys, Nigerian government, local government officials, police, military, start arresting criminals and start protecting the innocent civilians. So I'm just saying both regions show a clear sign of imminent terrorist attacks. Immediate action is critical to save lives. If the Nigerian government's not going to protect you, Nigerians, go protect yourselves, evacuate, stand up for your communities, whatever you feel you have within your power, please do it. But I can't sit by and let this intelligence go to waste. I have to let you know that we're spotting criminals, we're spotting terrorists, Fulani ethnic militia to be specific. Let's name who they are. The Fulani ethnic militia are massing, they are gathering, they have weapons, and they're planning to attack in Taraba and southern Kaduna. And I'm praying to God that these attacks are thwarted and lives are saved. In the meantime, for the rest of you watching this that don't live in Kaduna or Taraba, please pray with me and pray for our persecuted brothers and sisters that they're safe. Please do something about this. Nigerian government leaders, whoever, U.S. government, U.S. embassy, please do something about this right now and save lives. Here's your opportunity. God bless. If you would like to support our mission, Equipping the Persecuted, a mission that's actually trying to stop the persecution in Nigeria, that's saving lives on a daily basis. Equipping the Persecuted is the organization y'all should support. But in the meantime, call your congressman, call your senator, call the Nigerian government, tell them to protect the innocent Christians that are about to get killed in a couple of days. God bless.